Mama, why do you always tell me to work hard?
Because, my son, hard work may be slow, but it builds a future that no one can take from you.
I understand, Mama.
The story you just watched wasn't filmed on a traditional set. It was created entirely with Synthesia AI. In just minutes, you can transform a simple prompt into a cinematic masterpiece with ultra-realistic characters and powerful dialogue. Ready to master the future of storytelling? Let's dive into the platform and start creating. Okay, to create that wonderful African dialogue story, we used Synthesia AI. So we are going to use our Google search. Synthesia. Okay, this is it. Synthesia AI. This is Synthesia AI. AI video platform. Okay, this is nice. You click on it. Synthesia.io. And you have the opportunity to log in here. It will ask you to log in. You click on login. Then after you log in, it definitely takes you to the registration platform whereby you choose basic. Then after you must have registered, then definitely it automatically open this platform. This is Synthesia AI. So let us confirm the numbers of credit that we have. You can see the workspace here. By the left hand side, we have by the left hand side here, you can see it is free here, completely free. Let us confirm our credits. Okay, let's come to the right hand side here. You click on this profile, then you can see here we have 1,200 credit here. You can see 1,200 credit, and this is the interface. You can see how wonderful the interface is. So the next thing we go to playground. You come to the left down here, downside here, AI playground. You click on AI playground. You click on it now. Okay, it brings out this interface. We can explore. We can see several things, several content created using the Synthesia AI. You can see it now. You can see that we can explore this. Oh, this is nice. You can see this powerful content here. You can see cinematic. You can come down here and explore. You can see this. You can see all this video here. You can see. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. You can see all cinematic video. You can see the prompt box below here. You can see the first one is the video, the second one is the image. And let's play again. Let's see what it gives to us. The other one is the motion graphics. So it depends on what you want to create. If you click on the video, you can see 192 credits. Okay, and we have several models. VEO 3.1 model. This is. We have VEO 3.1. We also have VEO 3.1 just looks fast. So perfect. If you are using VEO 3.1 fast, definitely let's click on it's 96 credits. Which also implies that audio disabled. You will not be using audio. So when you click audio enabled, you're going to be using 120 credits. But if you are using VEO 3.1, you click on it, it automatically enables audio. Okay, you can click on this, it automatically enables audio. So with VEO 3.1, it says make avatar perform action and interact with their environment. We have audio options. We have 1080 pixel. We also have 96 without audio. We have 192 with audio. You can see it's 192, you have audio. That's VEO 3.1. Okay, and you can come here, you can see the aspect ratio here. You choose the aspect ratio you want, 16:9 or 9:16. Okay, the next thing is you can see this is aspect numbers of generations that you want to generate. We're going to choose one. We are not generating two videos. It's one video we are generating. So I'm choosing VEO 3.1 with audio. So I'm going to click on video. Then I'm going to be pasting the prompt that I want to generate here. Okay, this is the prompt I'll be using. This is the prompt I'll be using now. So let's go ahead and generate. I'll click on generate now. Okay, it is generating the video right now. Let's wait and see what it gives to us. Okay, I think the video is ready now. Let us click and see what we get. Yeah, let's see what it gives to us now. Let's see.
Mama, why do you always tell me to work hard?
Because, my son, hard work may be slow, but it builds a future that no one can take from you.
I understand, Mama.
Wow, this is just good. This is it. This is it. This just looks so perfect. You can see ultra realistic, cinematic storytelling, powerful storytelling. The view so perfect, the nature, the environment captures everything. Captures everything. This is nice. Now to download the video, you just have to play it. You have to play it, but before that, you must have included an extension. Yeah, the extension is Kuli Video Downloader. You click on this, you can see it here. Kuli Video Downloader. You click on this, then it takes you to if you have a Chrome browser, you can decide to add to your Chrome or add to whatsoever browser you have as an extension. Then when you do that, you come here, you will see it here. That is it. You can see, I can see mine here. Then you go back to Synthesia. To do that, you must have been playing the video. You click on the video.
Mama, why do you always tell me to work
You
hard?
go to
Because, my
extension
son,
here.
hard work may be
You click
slow,
on the
but
video
it builds a
downloader,
future that
you
no
click
one
on
can
this
take from
sign.
you.
I understand, Mama.
It begins to download. You can see now. Then you click on this sign, it begins to download. Let's see what it gives to us after downloading.
Mama, why do you always tell me to work hard?
Because, my son, hard work may be slow, but it builds a future that no one can take from you.
I understand, Mama.
Oh, that is just it. That is that. So that is it. That is how to use Synthesia AI
Mama, why do you always tell
to
me
create
to work hard?
your content. If you want to tell a story, what's style you want to tell the story, just have your prompt, or you first generate an image, then before telling the story. Thank you very much. I hope you understand. Please, I want you to subscribe to my channel and also share and also like. Be the best.